Hello. I'm going to talk to you now about how you can complete the assignment in this module, which involves enrolling in and earning your certificate in the library workshop on avoiding plagiarism. The first thing to do would be to press the Next button at the bottom of the page that you're on now, after you've finished watching this video. Second, notice under How to Enroll, there is a link to click that is the library workshop. You will start by clicking that link, which will take you to a page that looks like this. If you want to, you can look at the library's privacy policy, but the most important thing for you to do would be to press this blue button that says Enroll in Course. This will lead you to a page that looks like this, that will say that you have successfully enrolled in the course. You will then get a chance to go to your dashboard or to go to the course. You can do either. It depends on whether you want to start doing the work immediately or give yourself a little time. For the purposes of this lecture, let's go directly to the course. I want to remind you, before we go too much further, that this process, the process of receiving your certificate after you've finished this library workshop, can take as many as 5 days. So I strongly suggest that you do this work early so that you can submit your certificate by Friday of this week. Here are the features that I would like to point out on this library workshop page. First, you'll notice the left-hand menu, similar to the menu that you have in this class, and it works in the same way. Also, on this library homepage are links to the library workshops. You've already taken the library orientation workshop. This time you'll be taking the avoiding plagiarism workshop, so you will want to click on this link. Also, remember that the library uses Proctorio, so you will need your webcam and your photo ID and to be working through Chrome. When you have finished the workshop and you're ready to receive your certificate, you can find it by following the grades link from this library homepage, in the same way that you look for your grades in this class. Once you have found your certificate, save it in exactly the same way that you would save a document that you would upload for any assignment to the appropriate file in your computer. Once you have done that, you can return to this assignment page and click the blue Submit Assignment button, as you do when you're submitting any other assignment. Having done that, you will choose the file that contains your completion certificate for the library workshop. I'm just picking a random file here. I have not yet completed that workshop myself. So let's just assume that in Coastline Community College, I'll take this file that says bad para. Sure. I will save that. I will see that the document is next to the button, and then I will submit assignment. And the program will acknowledge that I have done that. If, as always, you have any questions, I strongly hope that you will email me or contact me through the inbox. And as always, thank you for your time and attention.